Now, having already signaled that overdue elections for the Jamaica Cricket Association could be called within a week, incumbent President Dr. Donovan Bennett has declared his intention to return for another term. Dr. Bennett, who took control of the JCA in 2024 after defeating then-incumbent Wilford Billy Heaven, told TVJ Sports that he has not closed the door on a return to the role should there be interest from stakeholders.
If I'm nominated, yes. I really had no intention of doing more than one term. But look, I also said that if God blessed me with good health at the end of the 2 years, I would consider taking on the mantle again. Thankfully, I'm in pretty good health. I still have some energy. So if the members want me and nominate me, I will accept it.
In the meantime, Dr. Bennett also revealed that the board has approved the decision to increase the tenure of the president.
So at the last AGM, which was a month ago, the members agreed to lend the tenure to 3 years. So the next board that is elected will have a 3-year tenure.